As markets and needs diversify, enterprises now look for ways to improve productivity and customer satisfaction in fragmented business sectors. How to make it happen? Making smart use of business data is a solution. The rapid development of advanced technology is creating more and more data-intensive AIoT applications in the field. Hikvision Embedded Open Platform, HEOP 2.0, enables technology partners to develop and run their own applications on Hikvision's hardware to suit diversified customer needs and installation scenarios, speeding up the conversion of ideas into applications. As a corporate-level open architecture with unified development interfaces, HEOP 2.0 has several features to facilitate algorithm development and to minimize the deployment time of partners' applications. By using Hikvision's proprietary HikFlow development kit, partners can easily convert their deep learning models into HEOP-compatible applications. Then, our Conch container engine allows them to deploy their applications into different HEOP-enabled IoT devices in an isolated environment that consumes fewer resources while keeping a high level of security. HEOP 2.0 helps overcome partners' development difficulties, facilitates the quick migration of AI expertise into tangible AIoT applications with various hardware for diverse vertical industries. What's more, Hikvision's abundant hardware products such as network cameras, access control terminals, thermal cameras, video recorders, and more lay solid foundation for varied types of intelligent applications. Today, more and more partners around the world are using Hikvision Embedded Open Platform to develop their own applications and solutions, creating value in a wide range of industries. We welcome all of you to join the HEOP 2.0 program and enjoy our end-to-end services. Together, we can meet and exceed customers' expectations. Together, we can get an edge in the competition. Join now through Hikvision Technology Partner Portal.